This is a 2007 Kenworth T600. It's a C15 Caterpillar 13-speed diamond VIT interior. It's got the new style dash. It's a flatbed unit. It's perfect wheelbase. It's got the headache rack, toolboxes. Truck has got brand new virgin rubber. It's got Dura aluminum wheels. Never have to polish these. Nice toolbox. This truck only has 423,000 miles. It's a 13-speed transmission. Body's in good shape. I don't see any issues at all, not even any rock chips. Local fleet, very well maintained. We sell a lot of these trucks.
Melvin, Pat, you have a call holding on 190.
It's hard to find a 07 model. It's a pre-emission truck with good miles like this at 400,000 miles, 423,000 miles. Interior is very nice. Like I said, it's the new style dash, the VIT interior. Got dual leather seats, smart wheel, all the gauges. New mattress. Interior is in very good shape. I don't smell any smoke. Floor mats in the front, carpet in the back. As of now, we have several of these in stock. We have a few that are different colors other than the blue. Give me a call here in Tulsa at 918-595-2374. I'd be glad to fix you up. Thanks for your time.